Dear students, now from today we are going to study organic chemistry, the topic related to halogen derivatives of alkanes, arenes that we have already covered, and therefore lectures through YouTube channel, that point of view. Now I feel that convenience point of view, convenience, your convenience, my convenience point of view, now it would be better to start this topic, next topic, organic chemistry, alcohols, phenols and ethers, because many points, since we have studied or covered halogen derivatives of aliphatic, aromatic, alkanes, arenes, okay, and whatever concepts and mechanisms we have studied in that topic, most of the things get repeated here, and therefore in this time of lockdown, since we are studying through YouTube channel, it is convenient for all of us to consider few topics which are related, so that it becomes easy to understand. And therefore now I have decided to switch over to this second topic in organic chemistry, means first, since we have studied. And to start with, in this, hello, morning, to start with, in this, I have decided to consider preparation of alcohols, monohydroxy alcohols, ethanol, methanol, those type of alcohols. There are so many methods, and first method we are going to consider is preparation of alcohols, OH group attached to aliphatic carbon or alicyclic carbon directly is alcohol. If the hydroxy group, if it were attached to aromatic carbon directly, aromatic ring nucleus, then it would become phenol, that we know now. Okay, so preparation of alcohols using Grignard reagent, that we are going to start. So before that, Grignard reagent, the study of Grignard reagent is a separate part. Grignard reagent, how to prepare, has been considered in the earlier topic, halogens. Still, let me repeat it in short. Alkyl halide, it can be ethyl chloride, methyl bromide, propyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, N-propyl iodide, it can be any alkyl halide, magnesium metal, react, and what we get, the product I'll write here, and what we get we write in this fashion. And alkyl halide with magnesium gives this, what we call as in general alkyl magnesium halide. In general, this is called as Grignard reagent. Grignard's reagent, some call, makes no difference, because Grignard's reagent, Victor Grignard prepared this. Grignard's reagent is called as Grignard reagent, same. So it is a Grignard's reagent and it is called as Grignard reagent. Okay. So it makes no difference. And while this is prepared, Grignard reagent, it can be any alkyl group here, aryl also, phenyl for example. On arrow, what we write is pure and dry is very important, dry, ether, that ether is used, the purpose is, it is a solvent, ether as solvent. So alkyl halide plus magnesium, pure and dry ether as solvent. Normally, even though we write ether, normally diethyl ether is used, because diethyl ether is prepared from ethyl alcohol, and ethyl alcohol is very cheap, and preparation of diethyl ether from ethyl alcohol becomes easy, and therefore although we write ether, actually it is diethyl ether or ethoxyethane, IUPAC. Now why this dry ether? Do you remember dry ether? Now Grignard reagent, preparation of Grignard reagent, during preparation of Grignard reagent we have used not only ether as solvent but pure and dry. So dry is more important. Dry means dry, absence of moisture, even trace amount of water is not allowed, absence of moisture, because Grignard reagent, if we study, Grignard reagent is a polar molecule. Now, this Grignard reagent are alkyl group, methyl, ethyl or any other. It should be written in this fashion, and delta negative charge on alkyl group, magnesium metal, since this halogen it can be Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, therefore 1 plus 1 out of plus 2, 1 is balanced, and therefore delta positive charge. This has covalent nature, this has ionic nature. So Grignard reagent should be written in this fashion. Molecular formula point of view, if someone write in this fashion, it is okay. But many write in this fashion, Grignard reagent. This is wrong. A covalent bond cannot be present between magnesium and halogen. Magnesium is a metal and halogen non-metal. This is wrong. For the sake of convenience, initially many times in books, it is written in this way. It's okay, it is wrong, but it's okay. But this is correct. This is wrong. Molecular formula, if you write in this manner, again that is okay. And therefore, that thing you should know, Grignard reagent. That is one thing. And Grignard reagent in general, alkyl magnesium halide, or specific it can be ethyl magnesium bromide or methyl magnesium chloride, anything. Grignard reagent with compound containing active hydrogen atom, if it comes in contact with compound with active hydrogen atom, water, there are a few more, it will decompose and get converted into now what is this? This is alkane plus byproduct, means Grignard reagent cannot, if Grignard reagent is used, preparation of alcohols, that part we are going to study, and by using Grignard reagent, the first method since we are going to study, and also preparation of Grignard reagent earlier we have considered. Why we use dry ether as solvent? Why not aqueous? Because Grignard reagent, the moment it comes in contact with compounds containing active hydrogen, means what? Let me write it here. Let me again repeat it here. Grignard reagent RMGX, if it comes in contact with, suppose that water, so hydrogen in water has tendency to get released in the form of H plus ions. Self ionization is there, and also if certain reagent like sodium, okay, hydrogen from water will get removed in the form of H plus ion. Same thing, since delta negative charge is on alkyl group, delta positive on magnesium, this will get converted into, for the sake of understanding, the electron pair along with alkyl group, so same color, and hydrogen in the form of H plus ions, plus ionic bond, and therefore I will write in this manner, bracket I will use. So this is alkane. So with water, Grignard reagent decomposes to give corresponding alkane. So we cannot use water, even trace amount of very small, and therefore dry, that is important. Not only with water, with Grignard reagent, then if water as solvent for this reaction or the reactions of Grignard reagent, which we are going to consider in not only this topic of hydroxy compounds but also in few more topics, organic chemistry 12. Wherever Grignard reagent is used, Grignard reagent plus aldehydes ketones, Grignard reagent plus alkyl cyanides, Grignard reagent plus esters, so many reactions of Grignard reagent we are going to consider in various topics in 12. Dry ether is used as solvent. We cannot use water as solvent. Even trace amount of water is not allowed. Therefore, not only ether, dry ether. Then if water is not allowed as solvent, ether that way is prepared from alcohol. In many other cases, we have used alcohol as solvent. Why not use alcohol? But same thing, again the same thing. Grignard reagent react with alcohol. It can be any other alcohol, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and get decomposed in a similar manner like what we have seen in water. Because in alcohol, both the alkyl groups may be or may not be same. Therefore, if this is R, let this be R frank. If this one is ethyl, it can be methyl. Both can be methyl, ethyl, methyl, propyl, any. And therefore, in alcohol, OH bond is polar. As we know, oxygen is more electronegative. The second fluorine is highest, and delta negative charge on oxygen, delta positive charge on hydrogen. And therefore, during a reaction like what we have studied earlier with sodium, during a reaction, heterolytic breaking of this OH bond during a reaction, alcohol itself, like HCl or other acids or acetic acid, when dissolved in water, hydrolysis H plus Cl minus, H plus O minus. Alcohol itself is not an acid. When dissolved in water, no hydrolysis, although it is polar. But with certain reagents like sodium, hydrolytic breaking of OH bond takes place and hydrogen goes out in the form of H plus ions. So that way, this hydrogen is acidic hydrogen atom in alcohol, because even in this reaction, since as we know, with active hydrogen atom alcohol, decomposition of Grignard reagent takes place, and what we get is alkane plus byproduct. Now here again the byproduct, I can write it here. Remaining part. So alcohol we cannot use. So alcohol as a solvent is also, means we cannot use alcohol as a solvent not only during preparation of Grignard reagent, but all other reactions which we are going to consider henceforth. Grignard reagent plus in 2 or 3 topics. Not only it should be dry, means absence of moisture, alcohol we cannot use. Even in a topic in future, we are going to consider reactions of Grignard reagent with alkyl cyanide. Reaction of Grignard reagent with alkyl cyanide, that is the point of next topic actually. But still, the point matches with this. Grignard reagent with alkyl cyanide we are going to consider. But instead of alkyl cyanide, we cannot use hydrogen cyanide, because again hydrogen cyanide is an acid, weak acid, which gives rise to H plus and Cl minus ions. Means this H plus again it will react with Grignard reagent, a decomposed Grignard reagent, to give alkane and byproduct. So this we should know. Why I have told you this point in detail, because many times we say that it is very difficult to remember conditions on the arrow of the reactions. If we don't know the basics behind it, the reason why that has been there, then we have to by heart it, remember it. We have to use that way our brain. It is not correct. We should consider the basic chemistry behind it. What is the reason behind it? And once we know why dry ether is used, why alcohol cannot be used, why Grignard reagent and alkyl cyanide, the reaction we are going to consider in a topic. If alkyl cyanide react with Grignard, why not hydrogen cyanide? So HCl, alcohol, water, all these are reactants or compounds which make available hydrogen in the form of H plus ions during the reaction. So we call them as active hydrogen atom, compounds containing active hydrogen atom. And compounds containing active hydrogen atom, if it is present, Grignard reagent decomposes to give alkane, and therefore the desired reaction will not take place. So this is how we have to study in details, and therefore the conditions, why the conditions, here we have considered one example, dry ether, moisture is not possible to use, water as solvent here not possible, then why not alcohol? The same reason, alcohol also makes available active hydrogen atom, and likewise the same chemical basics, or we can say logic, if it is applied in various topics. The compounds which make available active hydrogen atom, then Grignard reagent we cannot use. Ether, the hydrogen atoms present in ether, diethyl ether for example, they are not active, polarity is less, it will not get decomposed.